everybody, this is Nelka Rockhogen, and today we will discuss or we will answer the comment from my Facebook post 2 days ago, and that is all about this pop stroke or mini golf course where I showed those false colors in the 3D view. Okay, this is from Roger. He said, "Nice. How do you show false color on specific surface, not showing the false color of the entire area?" Okay, so Roger, this is very easy. Okay, so how are you going to do that? Is just click this results overview here. It's in the upper right corner of your screen. Just click this one, and then I created a calculation surfaces for every greens, and I also created the whole ground. So for the whole ground, and then you can turn it off if you want, and then just show those greens. And if you want to increase also the CAD plan, because I used PDF instead of the CAD file, yes, you can also do that. And this is how it looks. Okay. So for the presentation, you can show it properly and it's really cool. Yeah, you can see that it's like that and it's amazing. All right, so that's how easy it is, Roger. Just go and play with display overview and you will have your false color on the 3D and even in the plan. And you can actually save this uh, image or view. Just go to the export tab and then press save new view. You can also do that in the 3D view, of course, like this one, by showing the false color for every greens. Save new view. Okay, double click on the tab, double click on the tab. Now it's saved. All right, so I hope you learned something today. And if you want to learn more, please go and check my books at amazon.com, or please go and subscribe and like this video. Okay, and of course, be my friend in Facebook. All right, so see you again on the next video.